As I here at the state capital of Montgomery, in Alabama, where the civil rights issue for the Black Americans were kind of called on a march that took place from Selma in January 1965. The activists led by Dr. Luther King, or the Dr. King, launched a series of voter registration drives and demonstrations to secure the right of black citizens to register and vote in Alabama elections, a constitutional right impeded by the Governor George Wallace and other officials. They were met with state-sponsored terrorism on the night of February the 18th in Marion, amid a melee that began when the police started clubbing peaceful protesters. A state trooper shot and killed a young black man, Jimmie Lee Jackson. Infuriated by the Jackson's murder, leaders of the Student Nonviolent Coordinating the Committee and the Southern Christian Leadership Conference called upon the residents of Alabama's Black Belt counties to peacefully march on an Alabama capital to demand voting reforms. Less than 5 months after the last of the 3 marches, the President Lyndon B. Johnson signed the Voting Rights Act of 1965 into law. Even to this date, after all this hardship that humans have gone through, the suffering, the struggle, the debates, the differences and arguments, and after all that, we are still in this knowledgeable, intelligent society of the world. The intelligent minds of the world are still coming stuck with a solution for a peaceful progress for humans and human beings across, not in just this nation, but across the entire world. As we speak, there's a remembrance day coming up in Baltimore, out in the East Coast state, for a shooting that took place and murdered another young, innocent human being. I don't have to call a race or a color or a creed or a religious background for a death of an innocent human being, but it's still a human being, a life lost in the name of I don't know what. Where are we heading? I'm heading on a journey to understand what humans are capable of doing to each other and against each other, but not capable of doing something so meaningful in life for one another. Take those words, put it into a context of reality, put it into the context of the true aspirations, what a human can arrive at if we all work together in the same direction for one purpose: to thrive and to fulfill our dignified, peaceful time that we have here on this earth.